Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Welcome, ma'am.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear
Clear.
me?
Yes, ma'am. Can you?
Yeah,
Okay,
acceptable.
ma'am.
A lot of technical glitch was there.
Yes, ma'am. We have to
It's okay,
try.
it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. And I'm so sorry that I have to kept you waiting. I was also trying to, put a lot of efforts, but I couldn't. So, yeah. Are we also
Okay.
recording this session?
Ma'am, it automatically records, I think, Insta Live.
Okay, actually, I don't. I am a lot technically challenged, so I should mention it beforehand. you know, it
Yes,
was for
ma'am.
2:30 and now it's 2:45. Sorry for that.
No problem, ma'am. Let more people join. Ma'am,
Yeah,
how are you?
yeah. I'm fine. I'm fine. I was feeling really sad. Ki my God, first time though even I'm going live, and a lot of technicality is
Ma'am, me
happening.
too.
It's
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So, by then you can ask me anything. I'm open to each and every question and all the queries.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, I want to tell the viewer about you. Ma'am name is Dr. Meenakshi Mahendra Singh, and she has done her BDS from Kotiwal Dental College and Research Center. And ma'am is currently doing MDS from that college only. And ma'am was batch topper in her BDS, and she is doing excellence in MDS also. So, and ma'am also, ma'am got nominated for top 100 doctors in dentistry, which is great. So,
Yeah.
ma'am, why don't you how do you get, ma'am, the nomination?
Nomination, it's just that you have to do really fine in your academics. Like being a post grad, we have to go to conferences. And in there, when you are going to the conferences, so there you should definitely, receive some award. Like we have to present our posters, we have to present our papers, your own cases, case reports. So the cases that you do in college, those cases you can present. Like I have
Okay,
presented my own case series of 6 cases, and those cases were of maxillofacial trauma, your fractures, mandibular fractures, condylar fractures. So yeah,
okay,
I presented those cases, and that was my case series, not a case report. Case report is a single case, and if you
single
talk
case.
about case
Yes.
series, yeah, case series, then it is a compiled cases. So I presented, I think,
Okay,
almost
okay,
6 to 7 cases. So yeah, so I received my best paper, then best poster also. So on off. So there are people, those who track, those who those who are tracking you like that. That okay, so this is the academic career of this girl, and the graph is going up only, or the whether the graph is going down. So they keep a check of each and everything. So I think my
okay, ma'am.
conferences really helped me a lot. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you are also joined with an NGO named YRWA. Why don't you tell
Yarwa,
us about that?
yeah. Actually, I
Okay, ma'am.
haven't joined it yet, but the man who is behind that Yarwa, he's Mr. Fawad Khan. So I'm gonna join due to the COVID. I cannot meet Mr. Fawad Khan in person, but today also I had a
Okay,
word with
ma'am.
Mr. Fawad. So yeah, so we are basically, he has built it very nicely, and I really want to join him. And like I am also, you can say that I am also now I'm a pillar of Yarba also. So because it is
Okay, ma'am.
that Mr. Fawad is a very activist person, social activist. So yeah, that's how it is going so far.
Ma'am, these are all great accomplishments by you. Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much. Thank you so much.
Uh, ma'am, so why don't you tell about your BDS journey? Ma'am, what was your goal and what was your aim during your or fourth year and internship?
Okay, so my BTS journey was, in one word, if I say, it is a roller coaster ride. Okay, so when I joined my
Okay,
BDS, so I was already a very good student in my your school time. I was I was a good student, I can say that. So when I joined my BDS, so it was a batch of 100 students. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
nobody knew my name. And I am a person who is
Sure.
very much particular about one should know my name, then only talk
Image.
to me. Yeah, I'm a very image conscious and I'm a Capricorn, so I'm a very, you can say that Meenakshi Singh is very ambitious and everybody should know my name. So, but they used to call me by my roll number. I was roll number 54. So they used to call me roll
Oh,
number 54. So then I asked my senior that how can they know my name? How will I be known by my name? So they said that you should, top your batch or you should at least be in top 5. So I said okay fine, अगर ऐसा है तो मैं मतलब I'll do something, I'll study. So I started studying, and is in that way, just to make my name, fame, and image. The thing started,
it helps you
and
in
yeah,
many things.
yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's how they got to know
Ma'am,
my name and my name. Yeah,
ma'am, how
yeah,
do you
yeah.
get
Say.
into BDS?
Okay, so how to get into BDS? Into BDS, you have to first of all give your NEET PG entrance. Now it's the common way. I have given my UP CAT
Ma'am,
that
UG.
time. Ha UG.
Ma'am, NEET
Previous
UG.
me,
Yes,
yeah, NEET UG. Yeah, this is what you
yes,
call now.
yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
when I gave in 2012, back then it was the UP CAT. It was a isolated exam for BDS.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, your ambition was to become a dentist or MBBS
No, no, no,
or
no, no.
doctor?
No, no, no.
What
Neither
was your?
MBBS nor BDS. My ambition was to become a judge.
Okay, and you got a MDS and BDS.
Yeah, even I have given my CLAT also, and I cleared with 88 rank. I got National Law University, Ram Manohar
Wow.
Lohia, Lucknow.
Okay, that's
But
great.
then my father was not in favor of me joining LLB, so he said,
Law.
"Beta, आप doctor बनना है तो please at least you do your BDS." So that's how I entered
Okay,
into it, and today I'm a MDS.
great, ma'am. Ma'am, the lot of question about coaching for MDS preparation.
Yeah,
What do
yeah,
you say?
yeah. Yeah, yes, we can. Now, see, I am a girl. I never go for coaching. I am not degracing those who go for coaching. Definitely, coaching का बहुत
Sure.
फायदा होता है. But me personally, I believe in your person this self study. Because I have never joined any coaching. I cleared my CLAT self study. I cleared my BDS self study. So that's how I am. But those who want to achieve really good like aims, और कुछ भी depends on person to person. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप
Yes,
coaching
ma'am,
में रह के
sure.
अच्छा कर सकते हैं तो आप coaching बिल्कुल join करिए. And nowadays materials are available online also. A lot
Yes,
of good
ma'am, lot
material is
of.
there online. So yeah.
I also do MDS quizzes daily on my story of different
Okay,
subjects.
okay. Yeah. So it is really good, like coaching those who think that they can do really nice by attending some sort of coaching, they should definitely. And those who are like me कि हाँ हम खुद से कर सकते हैं, then why not? I in my entire career I have never ever went for any coaching. I did all self study.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, that's great. Ma'am, how is your MDS going? Are you passed out or not yet?
See, this is the question that everybody keep on asking me, ki, ma'am, are you practicing, ma'am, this, ma'am, that. See, I am still a final year student. I'm a exam, we call it EGPG, exam going PG. So, yeah,
Okay.
due to COVID, my exams are postponed. So, but I am doing all of this, like I am posting people about dental, issues and about dental awareness, because in India still I think that a lot of people, they have no knowledge about your dentistry.
Yes, ma'am, a
They
very
will.
little knowledge.
So
It's a
that is
challenge
the
for all
soul
of
of.
us.
That's what, dear, that's the soul of my content, that I want everybody to, be aware of the fact that dentistry is something. You do not have to come to a dentist only when your tooth is aching. You have to come to
Yes,
a
ma'am.
dentist, for your regular six months checkup, the way
Check
you
up.
go to your medico. So you have to come to us also, because dentistry is very expensive, one thing, but the negligence
Yes,
makes
ma'am.
it
Sure.
expensive. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so why do you choose pediatric and preventive dentistry as your MDS?
Okay. Because first answer is I love kids. I am fond of kids. You
Okay.
know, people say that you yourself is a kid. You know, when I treat my kids, I'm like, oh my baby, my bacha. You know, I go all like this. So I love kids.
Oh,
And pediatric dentistry. The second answer to this is that it is a, it is a jack of all the branches. So my zone of interest is from 0 to 20, to 0 to 18 years. So the dentition that you are having right now is the dentition that you had when you were a adolescent. So in
yes,
that
ma'am.
way, I get to see all the dentition. I get to do all the work. The complete work that is being done in dentistry, I'm able to do. I can do a root canal of you, your younger one, or of someone who is,
Sure.
at par our age. So that's why I chose this branch,
Okay.
and it is a very, very tough branch, I'm telling you.
Okay. Good.
I'm
Ma'am.
getting Mr. Vidit Bhardwaj is saying you are a kid at heart. Yes, I am.
Yes, ma'am. They are coming.
Yeah.
Uh, Ma'am, a lot of us are very much worried about our future as a dentist, the scope in
Don't
India.
worry. See. I am totally against of brain drain. There's a term that we used to read in our back in our history civics. Brain drain is happening. People are going from India to abroad because they are giving you good lifestyle, good money. It is true. It is a fact that people are going. Even if somebody will ask me that, oh come on Minakshi, what are you doing in India, man? Come to Norway, come to UK, come to Dubai. So but my answer to them is, you are studying in India and you are going other countries just to make money. Why can't you make money? See, I know money is very important for your existence, but at the same time,
Yes,
why
ma'am.
don't you want to serve your own nation? I am someone
Yes, ma'am.
who is totally, I love my country first of all, and I don't want to go abroad to just earn money. I will earn less, but I want to serve my nation first.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah.
We should all do.
Yes, everybody should do. Everybody.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, here are some questions which were asked by our followers on the Instagram. So, I am putting now.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
first question: did you ever feel like you should have taken MBBS instead of BDS? Asked by Mohammad Maz. What do you say?
See, so I told you that I wanted to do my law. So neither BDS nor
Yes, ma'am.
MBBS. I
Nor
wanted to do
MBBS.
my, I wanted to do CLAT, and I did achieve it. But today I'm an MDS.
Your
So
father.
see, yeah, due to my father, and but today I'm really thankful to my father that because of him, I did my BDS.
Okay, ma'am. Are you happy with your?
I am. It's on my face.
Yes, ma'am. I
I
can
always.
see. No, ma'am. But I want in in your terms.
Yes, yes, I'm very, very happy. I am truly
You
blessed to
look
be a
proud, ma'am.
dentist. I am a
Yes,
proud,
ma'am. You look proud.
in fact, my Insta bio says that a proud dentist. So I'm a proud
Yes,
dentist.
ma'am. We all should be.
Oh, thank you.
Ma'am, another question asked by Maz. Are you happy, dentist? This was okay. And how do you deal with patient who false claims you?
False
Do you
claim
have any
as in,
experience about this?
no, no,
In
no.
treatment?
Nobody, nobody. See, I am this false claiming and gaming is nothing that has ever. It was never in my career, and I wish that it should never even come to my way, because this is something that really gets you a bad name. One thing, and second of
Yes,
all,
ma'am.
the such sick patients, I don't want to entertain such sick patients. I am totally against of such patients. So so far I'm blessed that I haven't met any false claiming, and please pray that in future also I don't meet
Sure, ma'am.
such false. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Don't we have consent for that for such patient consent sign?
Yes, we have consents. We have consent form. In fact, the patient which you think that the patient can, false claim you, or the patient can, just maybe something can go wrong with the patient, or if at times there are cases which you know that if you will put your hand in, the success rate will not be that much. Okay, but the
Yes, ma'am.
patient is कि नहीं नहीं आपको तो मैडम करना है आप प्लीज कर दीजिए तो such patient I have met quite many in my career of so far that I told them that the prognosis will not be good, but the patients are like कि no ma'am please आप कर दीजिए. So in that cases I get the consent form signed beforehand, in which I am
Okay.
safe, and whatever wrong will happen, so that will happen. I'll not be answerable. So
Not blamable.
in false claiming also, you should make sure that you should get some consent form signed beforehand.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, next question is asked by Ankita Chaudhary. No clinical experience, pre-clinic record is average. Worried about practical work after college reopen. What to do?
Oh my God. So
It's my
darling,
question also. I'm in third year. We do not have any clinics, right?
yeah, that is it's
So zero
fine. So
experience.
see, being in third year, I must say that now the clinics is open for you guys. But unfortunately, due to COVID, the clinics are shut for you guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what the best that you guys can do is, just make sure that watch a lot of YouTube content. How to do an RCT, how to do an oral prophylaxis. Okay, then how to extract, how to do impaction. So at least ये सब चीजें तो आप YouTube पे भी देख सकते हो. Okay, but
Yes, ma'am.
again, content on YouTube and doing it by your own, it is totally different. Two poles apart thing. Okay, see, I am a pediatric
Okay.
dentist, so it is a very age specified branch. So if I'm giving
Yes,
a
ma'am.
myofunctional appliance to my patient, so the way I am doing it, it will be, and the way the YouTuber is doing, it will be same. But maybe the upper, no, it will not be totally same. The approach will be different. Maybe he's taking the upper
Sure, ma'am.
impression, taking the lower first. So the approach can be different. So what you guys can do, read. Right now you should read that what is a root canal. First of all, get into the the core of root canal. Okay, so root canal, what is it? You find a definition that that what are the principles of root canal. Okay, you have to first access open, then you have to do the biomechanical preparation, then after the BMP you have to obturate the canal. So all of these things अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, you can read, just read a lot,
Read.
and just have an idea in your mind that okay, how a root canal is done. Open one video, just see, okay, now this is how they have opened out this thing, root, how they have opened this and access open and everything. So that is one thing that you can do. Okay, but at your age, means at your level, and at the given scenario, the best thing that you can do is ki read as much as you can read. Books तो आपके पास होंगी.
Ma'am, PPTs. No books. Some books we have.
Oh
We
yeah,
have
yeah,
PPTs
but
only.
see, when I was your age, your level, I used to only read books because I am a nerd. If I call myself, if one more word I have to give to myself, then yes, I am a nerd. I can read for hours and hours also. And now once I joined my MDS, so in that case, in that way, I was a lot more into PPTs and into the digital data, because I now, when if at all you want to do your masters, so you have to make sure one thing, that Indian authors only will not work. You have to read foreign authors also, and then you have to read about the case reports those the foreign authors have published. So it's like we do
Okay.
research reading a lot.
Okay. So we have to do this much. Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, next question by Riddhi Jain. What are the trending options after BDS?
After BDS, darling, you can do a lot. See, after BDS, agar if only you have to be a BDS and you want to practice like a dentist, you can practice, you can open your own clinic. That is the best option that I think, because once you have a DR in front of your name, then you are a doctor, and then you doctor means patient. So you should definitely open your clinic one. Then you can opt for your government examinations. Government examinations again, yeah, the vacancies are very less. So in that way, a lot of
Yes,
hush
ma'am.
hush. So that is one thing that you can do. Then you can join at some hospitals, private hospitals also. And if you don't want to do dentistry at all, which is something that I am totally against of, if you have given 5 years to your dentistry, then definitely you should do dentistry only. So in that case, you can join your, I think some pharmaceuticals companies, they hire your BDS. Then people change their totally, they change their career. So I am not in favor of that. So I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
not even promote that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It was
Well,
good. Ma'am, next question asked by Navneet Krishna. Which department in PG is best for a student who are very bad in handwork,
handwork. If you are bad in
like
handwork, so
practical?
okay. So guys, see, if you are bad at your handwork, so it means that you are not a good dentist. Okay, everybody have to be good at handwork if you want to be a good dentist. But if at all चलो नहीं हो रहा, तो आप नॉन क्लिनिकल ब्रांच ले लीजिए, ओरल पैथोलॉजी ले लीजिए, OMDR ले लीजिए. But I
Okay.
have my friends who have opted for non-clinical, and but their handwork is very nice. They have opened their own clinic. See, if your handwork is not that great and if you do not want to do any patient, then please go for oral medicine and radiology. Go for your oral pathology, and these are your non-clinical branches. Even you can go for your public health dentistry.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what's the scope of MPH?
MPH, okay, yeah, MPH. A lot of people are doing MPH. Scope is good in India, but again, I would say MPH scope abroad is very nice. See, my own sister, my younger sister, is in Australia,
Okay.
so she is doing her
Wow.
masters in biology. Yeah, from Swinburne University, Melbourne. So, if you can do that thing, it's okay. MPH in India, so far, I haven't heard much of it, because again, I'm a very, very particular dentist. Anything,
Yes,
if you will
ma'am.
apart from my field, I will just say that okay, if you want to do it, you can do it,
Neglect.
and be a dentist, be a proud dentist. That is my motto.
Awesome. Ma'am, next question asked by Chanchal Dharia. How to get job in government hospital?
Okay, so darling, you have to first of all give a written examination. That is one thing that you have to do. Okay, so UPPSC vacancies, they come. You should always have an idea that now always keep on like searching on Google about these jobs and vacancies, and be in touch with people, those who are doing, or those who are already part of such thing. The government services. So this is one thing that you can do, and the second is just keep your eye and your ear open, that okay, a vacancy is coming and I have to put it. Just then you should be thorough with your general knowledge also, because they keep a 20% section of general knowledge also, in which they will only ask you current affairs and all. So in order to get into a government job, you should definitely keep in mind that आपकी GK भी strong होनी चाहिए, और आपकी theory, आपकी basic dentistry भी बहुत strong होनी चाहिए, and especially your basic science, your ANA, your biochem, your physio, your DADH, this. And then
Okay,
there
ma'am.
is all interview also. So then you have to give an interview also.
Yes, ma'am. There are lots of competition and less number of vacancies.
But yeah, and if you are, see, when I joined my masters, that time NEET came with negative marking. So I was the one who has seen this negative marking, and I can very proudly say that I have left KGMC. My state rank was 8, and I left my
Oh,
KGMC for
wow.
my
Why, ma'am?
Kothiwar. The only reason, because I had to do pedo, and pedo from private college is great, because in government college you can thrash the baby, you can yell at the baby, because they are the not that elite genre is not
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
to your government sector. Okay, but if you have to make money and if you have to run your private practice, you cannot raise your sound, your voice on the baby. You cannot slap the baby. You will be, the parent will sue you in no time.
Can sue. Yes, ma'am.
So just to learn behavior management, just to be very patient, I left my KGMC and I joined my Kochiwal.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, next question was asked by Dr. R. Tandon. BDS isn't accepted in abroad, but why Indians are obsessed with foreign graduates?
For sorry, India
Uh,
BDS
f-
is not
uh,
is accepted, but the
Accepted
BDS,
abroad,
yeah, you have
but
to.
Indians are obsessed with foreign graduates.
Yeah. That no. See, again, this question is very political kind of question. See, uh, when you will go to abroad, see, so your BDS in a lot of countries like US, UK, and all, your BDS is not accepted. Your DDS is accepted, so you have to do a DDS. And people being obsessed, so yeah, dear, it is their obsession. आप क्या कर सकते हो, right? You cannot
Yes,
do
ma'am.
anything about obsession.
We can control ourselves,
Yeah,
but we
you just
can't
control.
others.
Answering to obsession question is something beyond my genre.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, next question asked by Shreya Verma. What is future of dentist in India? Secondly, condition here are so severe, but university are taking exams offline. Like they are teaching us online, and but when the exams come, they वो हमें बुलाते हैं और वो फिर एग्जाम ऑफलाइन लेते हैं. तो इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
See. So this is a good question to say, but darling, you are a doctor. You are a professional. You are taking a degree in a professional course. So how can you be happy giving exam online? First of all, it is not any with all regards to my commerces or art side students. See, this is not something outside of commerce. It is your science. It is professional exam. You will be a doctor, and will you be happy known by the thing that, oh, she gave an online exam and she is treating me? Or rather, you'll be happy giving offline exam. See, being a doctor, you are a warrior. Okay. You cannot sit at home. You cannot sit behind the screens, and you cannot just think कि हमारे online exam ले लो. ठीक है, बट अगर आपको इतना डर लग रहा है, ऐसा कुछ है, तो डार्लिंग, you should not be proud of yourself then that you are a doctor. If you are a doctor, give the exam offline, come out with flying colors. If given me an option that whether ma'am online or offline, I'll definitely say take my exam any day offline, because then I will be satisfied, that yes, I have given my exam offline, sitting there under the eye of the invigilator. So I think offline exam, if you will ask me, offline exam is the best, and DCI is very particular about examination. So,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
online, it is okay. You are not doing any patients because still you are in your BDS.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Last question, ma'am. How can we overcome all the negativity that then we suffer? Like dentist has no scope, dentistry is worthless. You are just wasting your time. Even dentists are saying these things.
No. Please be positive. Please be motivated. Okay.
Ma'am, we
Everything is
tried, but we are a student, and the practicing dentists are saying like that, so we get demoralized.
don't एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे कान से निकाल दो. ठीक है? You listen to me. Whenever you
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
low,
Sure.
I will video. Definitely, you have given me a very nice point. I will make a video and I will post it on my Instagram, on my Facebook. Okay, so that you
Yes,
guys
ma'am.
will be.
Sure.
You should always listen to good doctors. You should always listen to good motivational videos. Like my favorite is Jay Shetty. I listen to him a lot. You
Yes,
know,
ma'am. I too.
yeah. Yeah, so Jay Shetty is there. Then बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं जो मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स हैं, उनको सुनो. एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली अपने दिल को सुनो. अपने दिल जो आपका सेल्फ कॉन्शियस बोलती है ना, उसको सुनो. आई ऑलवेज लिसन टू माई हार्ट. एंड amidst ऑफ कोरोना, amidst ऑफ फ्यूचर, सी आप तो अभी थर्ड ईयर में है, फोर्थ ईयर में है. आई एम MDS थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट. निकलते ही मुझे क्लिनिक करनी है. आई शुड बी इन अ डिलेमा. ओ माय गॉड, अब तो कोरोना आ गया, अब मैं कैसे करूंगी, अब क्या हो जाएगा.
Yes,
ये सारे
ma'am.
क्वेश्चन आने चाहिए थे, बट दे आर नॉट कमिंग टू मी बिकॉज आई एम वेरी पॉजिटिव दैट आई विल डू ग्रेट. आई नो दैट.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what's your plan after MDS?
I'll open my own hospital.
Hospital. Wow.
Yeah, you should aim, you should dream big, you should aim big. तभी आपकी क्लिनिक भी खुलेगी. अगर मैं बोलूँ ना हॉस्पिटल,
Yes,
तभी जाऊंगी. क्लिनिक बोलूंगी तो कहीं नहीं जाऊंगी. I always say
फिर
that
मैं भी
I want to.
हॉस्पिटल खोलूंगा.
हाँ, yes,
BDS के
same.
बाद.
मुझे hospital खोलना है. Yeah.
Okay. It was good. It was good, very good talking to you, ma'am.
Oh,
I
thank you
I
so much.
even feel positive.
Yes, be positive, my blood group is also B positive, so I'm always positive.
Same, ma'am.
Chalo, give me a high five, a virtual high five in that way. So, okay, it was a very great session. We should keep such sessions quite often. It was
Yes,
our
ma'am.
very good session.
Sure, ma'am.
So it was my first live and it went really good. I really liked your questions, and those who have joined, maybe
Thank
they
you.
have just felt good about it. And I just want to wish all the BDS budding dentists that please be motivated, stay focused, and there is nothing that you cannot achieve. The only mantra is always be ready to sacrifice your sleep. The more you sleep, the more hours you waste. For the girls, I
Yes,
know
ma'am.
beauty sleep is very important. Even I cannot do without my beauty sleep. But at the same time, you have to also study. Yeah.
Yes. Ma'am, if someone wants to ask some question, they can. Should
Yes,
we
and
wait?
I questions. Yes, we can wait. We can chit chat by then. I have already answered a lot of questions. It's so she's so positive. Yes, I am very positive. Thank you so much, ma'am. Oh, welcome, darling. People are happy. At least, I don't care about the number, how many people are watching or not, but the comments which they are
Yes,
putting,
ma'am.
it's very positive.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you are in your
So,
third year.
yes, ma'am. I'm in third year.
Which college?
Uh, Faculty of Dentistry, Jamia, New Delhi.
Wow, you are. I have my very good friend from Jamia, Mr. Dr. Gauz Ali. Do you know
Okay.
him?
No, ma'am. No. No, ma'am.
Okay, it's such a prestigious
Thank you.
college. And, there we have Amina Sultan, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
In Pito. She is such a
Yes,
beautiful
ma'am.
lady. Is
Yes, ma'am.
out. I respect Amina Sultan ma'am a lot. We always when we go to conferences, I always see her lectures. She is a woman to look up to. She's such a beautiful, full of positivity. She is. And you're from Jamia, and you should never feel low. I have my
No.
best friend Gauz Ali. He's from Jamia. He did his BDS from there, and he's doing his masters with me from Kochiwal. He must be
Okay.
your very, very, very senior.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
From clinic point of
Ma'am, yes.
what BDS, yes. See, darling, from clinic point of view, your handwork matters the most. If you are a BDS with a good handwork, आप करिए, आप बिल्कुल करिए, अपनी क्लिनिक खोल सकते हैं. But अगर आप एक MDS हैं, तो nowadays, if I will go to a normal, if I'll go to a doctor for anything, first of all, I will look at his degrees. कि ये MD है, MS है, MCH है, क्या है. So the more degrees you have, the more patients you will have. This is the mentality nowadays कि नाम के आगे डिग्री कितनी लगी है. I will not stop with my MDS. I'm going to do a lot of fellowship programs also. So that's what MDS will give you an additional number of patients, those who are very learned and all, and MDS will also MDS will give you a respect also in the society. See, BDS are also respected, but once you're specialized, see, I am a periodontist, so I will be having my exclusive practice of pediatrics only. So then you become an exclusive practitioner, which is, I think, very nice. Even I want to give exams offline. Very good. I should clap for this one. This is Mansi. Okay. Yes, yes, give
Ma'am,
exams.
Colin asked books you want to prefer for MDS, I think.
Books for MDS, like for
For second
competitive
year, during second year, ma'am. And for second year.
second year, read your books. Second year, you have your physio biochem, right? You have your
No, ma'am.
DNA.
In your first year. First year. Second year, ma'am. Sorry, I have microbiology, pathology, pharmacology, and dental materials.
So, you see, your KD Tripathi for pharma, then your organs for your histology. Okay, then comes your osteo books, your in the beer, that book. So there are so many books. Read those books only. Even you should read your Anna के लिए तो first year में Grace Anatomy भी पढ़ी थी मैंने.
Wow. We have seen those books.
Oh, you have seen? Please read them also. They are very nice. Don't go library to see them.
Okay, ma'am.
Someone is asking, dental pulse is enough for NEET. Yes, I should say yes, because I have only read dental pulse. Only dental pulse.
Wow.
But I have read ऐसे कि वो मतलब कहीं से भी कुछ भी पूछोगे, I know the answer. So somebody is even asking, ma'am, which college should one prefer for MDS, government or private? See, if you have to do your pediatrics, go for a private, and if you want to do your oral surgery, go for a government college. Okay, and go for the college according to the branch that you are preferring. जैसे आप oral surgery करना चाहते हो, for example, to find out the colleges those who are good for oral surgery and then go for those colleges. Like I wanted to do from pedo, so I knew that my college is no less than a semi-government college, Kothiwal Dental College and Research Center. Okay, so I went for my own college and I left my King George Medical College because I knew that the pedo from a private college is better and my college has a n number of patients. Yes, for MDS you should go to those colleges जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा patient flow है. अगर patient flow बेकार है तो sorry to say you have made the worst mistake of your life. Ma'am, a question है, ma'am, what to do if we haven't studied seriously in first year and second year and now is the time. Now is the time. पढ़ो बच्चे, बैठ के पढ़ो, बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ो. Why are you not studying? A very good question is that correct time and way for starting preparation for NEET PG. See, it is never late to start studying. This is what I feel. And I started reading for my PG in my internship. Since day one of internship, so I have studied for one full year and I gave my exam and I cleared it in one go.
Wow.
Nowadays, so competition is very
So severe.
tough. My mantra for
Ma'am,
qualifying
lethal.
is, Hanji?
Competition is lethal nowadays.
It's lethal, yeah, it's lethal. And so somebody is asking my mantra for qualifying NEET PG. My only mantra was day and night study, study, study. You have to study a lot to achieve something, and give up on your sleep. So yes, I used to wake up and I used to study. Only one mantra, and that is dedication towards your studies. So I think a lot of questions have been already answered.
Yes, ma'am. It was a great session with you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And even I enjoyed the session very, very nicely. And we can take few more. What was your schedule during BDS? Oh, my BDS was a very beautiful journey of mine. I used to come back from college at 4. I used to have my tea. Then I used to just sleep for like, I think, 1 hour. Then from 6 o'clock, पढ़ाई शुरू. एंड देन 8 o'clock तक थोड़ी पढ़ाई, फिर उसके बाद 8 बजे डिनर होता था हम लोगों का. सो वही मेरी आदत आज तक है. 8 o'clock आई डू माई डिनर एंड देन फ्रॉम टिल 9-10, देन आई थिंक फ्रॉम 9 to 12 अगेन आई स्टडी. Because to make your name, you have to study. Study is the only mantra. And today, luckily, if you and with the grace of Almighty, never forget Almighty. Always, pray.
Yes,
Always.
ma'am.
This is one more mantra. Always pray before you give any exam. Always have that faith in the Almighty that yes, अब मैं एग्जाम देने जा रहा हूँ तो now everything is in your hands. एग्जाम पेपर आने में, so I am very, I'm a very spiritual girl. So I whatever today I am is all because of my Almighty. Had He not been on hands on my head, I would never have been nominated for top 100. I would have never been taught my college. So Almighty is everything. Please pray and have faith in God. And during the time of Corona, so please have faith in God. Everything will be done. And don't feel depressed, darling. एक किसका question था कि मैं पढ़ा नहीं और मैं depressed हो रहा हूँ. Don't feel depressed. Depression से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको. Depression will only give you all the darkness. There is a silver lining to every darkness. So God is a silver lining. Have trust. These days will also go, and just be happy and study. This is the only thing that you can do. And dentistry has got a great future. Great future. So, any more questions, or are we done for the day? Hello? Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I think we can wrap up.
Yes, we can now. बहुत बोला मैंने आज.
Yes,
Well, I
ma'am.
love.
It was a great session. Even I
Okay.
remembered God before going live with you.
Okay. It was a very nice session, and I hope I have quenched the thirst of all the students, all the budding dentists. And from my end, I wish all of you all the very best. You will do great in your exams, and everything will be positive. Just stay positive, stay focused, and believe in yourself.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, most welcome. Okay, bye. Let's wrap up now.
Bye, bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.